Move, move, move. You ready? Hey, James, you ready? Let's go.
Where are we going?
America, here we go. We're still from our mission. Last time, the zombies are shooting us still. We were hiding in the base for about an hour. Now we're going to move out again to see what's going on.
Got some. What's up, people?
I'm going to go check it out. You talk to America. If there's anybody out there. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Sneak attack by a zombie.
Shut up. Here goes. Stop, James.
Yeah.
Let's move.
She's not dead yet.
It's still not dead. It's now it's dead. It can't.
You have to die.
Back here. There's grass everywhere.
We need help badly. So if you ever get this message,
Here it comes.
help us.
Dead. They keep coming.
Oh God, I'm scratched.
You got scratched?
It doesn't infect me. It just hurts me badly.
Watch out! Now, I can't trust you anymore, James.
Wait a minute. It doesn't infect me.
Get off!
Health shot.
Calm down.
You don't kill me, I don't kill you.
How about I kill you, and you don't kill me?
Okay, that was my second scratch. Now give me your freaking health shot, or whatever I call it. Let's have a health shot.
And if you come back, I'm gonna kill you!
I forgot. I come as a second person. Remember? No, hold on. I am that person's brother.
Die. America, it's good life now. I gotta get out of here. This is Roger Salaman. Goodbye.